Alright, curious minds, let's dive into the weirdest, wildest, and most mind-boggling mysteries of the human brain you've probably never heard of. The brain is often called the most complex object in the known universe, and for good reason. Even though it weighs only about 3 pounds, it contains billions of neurons, trillions of connections, and enough mysteries to keep scientists scratching their heads for centuries. So, get ready to have your mind blown as we explore some of the strangest things your brain can do. Buckle up, because some of this stuff is going to make your head spin, maybe even literally. First up, déjà vu. This is one of those experiences that almost everyone has had, but hardly anyone can explain. It's that sudden, eerie feeling that you've already lived through the exact moment you're experiencing right now. You know that wild feeling when you're convinced you've lived this moment before? Maybe you're walking into a room, hearing a song, or having a conversation, and suddenly, it's like you're stuck in a time loop. It's both fascinating and a little unsettling. Scientists still haven't cracked the code, but the leading theory is a little brain glitch. Some researchers think it's a hiccup in the way your brain processes memories, while others believe it might be a sign of your brain checking for errors in your perception of reality. Basically, your brain accidentally files new experiences into long-term memory before you even realize it, so it feels like you're reliving the past. Imagine your brain's memory system as a super-fast librarian who sometimes shelves a book before you've even finished reading it. It's like your brain's own version of a time travel bug, just without the DeLorean or the flux capacitor. Some people even report having déjà vu more often when they're tired or stressed, which suggests that the brain's wiring can get a little scrambled under pressure. And get this, there's even a rare condition called déjà vécu, where people feel like their entire lives are on repeat, experiencing constant déjà vu. It's a reminder of just how mysterious and powerful our brains really are. Now, have you ever yawned just because someone else did? Or flinched when you saw someone stub their toe? That's thanks to your mirror neurons. These are some of the most fascinating cells in your brain, and they're responsible for a lot of the ways we connect with other people. These are special brain cells that light up both when you do something and when you watch someone else do it. It's almost like your brain is running a simulation of what you see, helping you understand and even feel what others are experiencing. It's like your brain is literally mirroring the action. No wonder empathy is so contagious. When you see someone smile, your mirror neurons fire up, making you more likely to smile too. The same goes for laughter, pain, and even fear. Scientists think this is one reason we're so good at learning just by copying. Babies learn to wave, clap, and even speak by watching the people around them. It's a built-in shortcut for picking up new skills and understanding social cues. But here's the twist. Some researchers believe mirror neurons might even be the root of human culture itself. They could be the reason we're able to share traditions, learn languages, and build communities. No pressure, right? Your brain is literally wired for connection. So the next time you catch yourself copying someone's gesture or feeling what they feel, remember, it's your brain's way of building bridges between people, making us more empathetic and social creatures. Let's talk about something that'll give you chills: brain freeze. This is one of those universal experiences that's both hilarious and a little painful. It's also known as an ice cream headache, and it's your brain's dramatic reaction to cold. You know, that sharp pain you get when you eat ice cream way too fast? It's like your brain is punishing you for enjoying your dessert a little too enthusiastically. Here's what's happening. When that icy treat hits the roof of your mouth, it cools the blood vessels super quickly. Then they rebound by swelling up. This sudden change confuses the nerves in your mouth, which send a pain signal straight to your brain. Your brain, not a fan of sudden temperature changes, thinks there's an emergency and triggers that brief, stabbing headache. It's a classic case of your brain overreacting to protect you, even when there's no real danger. The fix? Just press your tongue to the roof of your mouth to warm things up. It's a simple trick that can help your brain realize everything's okay and stop the pain. Scientists are still studying why some people get brain freeze more often than others, but it's a great example of how your brain is always on high alert, ready to protect you, even from ice cream. Okay, time for a bonus round. Have you ever heard of the phantom limb phenomenon? This is one of the most mysterious and mind-bending tricks the brain can play. It's when people who've lost a limb still feel sensations, even pain, where that limb used to be. Imagine feeling an itch or a tingle in a hand or foot that's no longer there. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real and often distressing experience. The brain's map of the body doesn't always update right away, so it keeps sending signals to the missing part. It's as if your brain refuses to accept that the limb is gone, stubbornly holding on to the old blueprint. It's basically your brain stubbornly refusing to accept reality. Kind of relatable, honestly. This phenomenon has helped scientists learn more about how the brain adapts, rewires, and sometimes clings to the past. In fact, some treatments for phantom limb pain involve using mirrors to trick the brain into thinking the limb is still there, showing just how powerful and adaptable our minds can be. And finally, get this. Your brain is sometimes literally working against you with something called the default mode network. This is a network of brain regions that lights up when you're not focused on the outside world, but instead, lost in your own thoughts. This is the part of your brain that kicks in when you're daydreaming, not focused on the outside world, just lost in thought. It's the reason your mind wanders during boring meetings or long car rides. Turns out, this mode is crucial for creativity and problem solving. When your brain is in default mode, it's making connections, coming up with new ideas, and even helping you process emotions. So next time you catch yourself zoning out, congratulate your brain, it's doing some of its weirdest and most important work. Some of the world's greatest inventions and works of art have come from moments of daydreaming and letting the mind wander. In fact, giving your brain time to wander can boost your mood, improve your memory, and help you solve problems you didn't even know you had. It's like a secret superpower hiding in plain sight. The human brain is full of secrets that even scientists are still puzzling over. Every year, new discoveries reveal just how much we still have to learn about the organ that makes us who we are. But one thing's for sure, the more we learn, the weirder, and more wonderful, it gets. From memory glitches to empathy, from brain freeze to phantom limbs, your brain is a never-ending source of surprises. So keep asking questions, keep wondering, and never stop being amazed by the 3 pounds of mystery inside your skull. Who knows what incredible secrets your brain will reveal next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious. The adventure inside your mind is just getting started.